Why can't I withdraw my funds from my wealthsimple account? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Why can't I withdraw my funds from my wealthsimple account? I know that this can be a frustrating experience, and I want to help you understand why this is happening and what you can do about it. 1. Why can't you withdraw your funds from your wealthsimple account? There are a few reasons why you might not be able to withdraw your funds from your wealthsimple account. The most common reasons are: your account is under review. Wealthsimple may put your account under review if they detect suspicious activity or if you haven't verified your identity. You have an outstanding balance. If you have an outstanding balance on your account, you won't be able to withdraw any funds until the balance is paid off. You have recently opened your account. Wealthsimple may put a hold on your account for up to 10 days after you open it. You have made a large withdrawal. Wealthsimple may put a hold on your account if you try to withdraw a large amount of money at once. 2. What can you do to withdraw your funds from your wealthsimple account? If you're having trouble withdrawing your funds from your wealthsimple account, there are a few things you can do. Contact wealthsimple support. The best thing to do is to contact wealthsimple support and ask them why you can't withdraw your funds. They may be able to help you resolve the issue. Check your account status. Make sure that your account is not under review and that you have no outstanding balances. Wait for the hold to expire. If your account is on hold, you will need to wait for the hold to expire before you can withdraw your funds. Consider using a different method to withdraw your funds. If you are unable to withdraw your funds from your wealthsimple account, you may be able to withdraw them using a different method, such as a bank transfer. 3. How to avoid having your funds held in the future. There are a few things you can do to avoid having your funds held in the future. Verify your identity as soon as possible. This will help to prevent your account from being put under review. Pay off any outstanding balances on your account. Be patient if you have recently opened your account or made a large withdrawal. Consider using a different method to withdraw your funds if you are concerned about having your funds held. I hope this video has helped you understand why you might not be able to withdraw your funds from your wealthsimple account and what you can do about it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.